ChatGPT is the latest trend in technology, as everybody is speculating about how AI in general will affect their profession or industry. Tech veterans like Geoffrey Hinton have already warned of AI's risk of overpowering humanity in the near future because of their non-biological nature and also the ability to replicate quickly. Among all these news and speculations, ChatGPT has already been made widely available through various third-party applications. We will explore in depth on the potential dangers of AI in the upcoming videos, but today we will be looking into the useful side of AI, mainly ChatGPT. In this video, we will be looking into how we can use ChatGPT for general business communication or simple spreadsheet function, and also how we can use this for our tax calculations purpose. We will also briefly look into the limitations of ChatGPT towards the end of this video, so please keep watching. By the way, if you haven't signed up for ChatGPT already, then you can sign up using the URL chat.openai.com. It's very simple to sign up and it's free, of course. As I am from accountancy background, I'll show you how we can use ChatGPT in accountancy, mainly UK accountancy practice. I have covered specifically 3 scenarios. So in this video, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a draft of an appeal that I need to send to HMRC for some tax penalty. So let's have a look. So I'm giving it inputs in some raw form, like please draft me a penalty letter with the following conditions. I have received penalty letter for non-filing of my 2022 tax from HMRC. I was not having income from self-employment. I had one full-time job. I didn't receive any letter from HMRC, and all of my taxes were deducted at source by the employer. So you can see it's generating the response, so with name, address and subject line, response to the penalty letter for non-filing 2022 tax return, dear sir, madam, and it's explaining all this details and all of my situation, that I'm not required to file any tax and all of my taxes are deducted through PAYE, that's pay as you earn. It looks a bit lengthy, so let's have a look what it does if I ask shorten it a bit. So let's ask it to make it a little bit shorter. This looks a bit lengthy, could you please shorten it? So now it's shortening the letter, and also I'm adding few more conditions. Also I just asked him, I forgot to mention, do I still need to file my tax return that was originally discussed? So I'm asking the AI to prepare a final draft querying whether or not I'm required to file my tax returns, and this it's pretty much ready. Now I don't have to worry about the grammatical error or anything, so I can simply have a quick look and print it and post it to HMRC. So this has really helped me to optimize my business communications with the HMRC. I don't need to involve myself in preparing long letters, and I can simply use ChatGPT for this. In this second video, we are going to ask ChatGPT for the deadlines, like the basic filing deadlines for company, limited company and personal. I'm asking ChatGPT for what is the filing deadline of my company, whose year end is December 2022. So, and it's giving me a whole lot of information regarding the filing deadlines for company. Let's check it's correct or not. The deadline to file your annual accounts will company to 9 months after the end of the accountant's company's financial year. Therefore, the year end is December 2022. The filing deadline for your accounts would be September 30. So that's correct, and the deadline for filing company tax return is 12 months. That's also correct. So it's giving me the correct answer. So let's have a look about the personal tax deadlines and the ChatGPT's response to that. What about my personal tax deadlines, I've asked, and it's saying the personal tax deadline for the UK vary depending on the type of tax and your individual circumstances, and its self assessment tax return is 5th of April, 6th of April to 5th of April, and the deadline is 31st of January the next year, and the payment of payment of income tax and national insurance contribution, the deadline for paying. It's also giving me the information on the payment account. That's also correct. In this video, we'll see whether or not ChatGPT is able to do some basic Excel calculations like preparing a pivot table from the given set of data. Let's have a look. So you can see I have a sample data here with the date, description, in and out, or expense head it should be allocated to. So in this example, that I just need to copy everything and just paste it. So please note that in ChatGPT there is no option to upload Excel file, so we just need to simply copy and paste the data. So I have pasted the data from my Excel file, and let's see how it has given me the result. I'm asking it to make it a little bit tidier. Please put the repairs and sales like things as the main category to allocate. So now I have given him the instruction to allocate. So yeah, let's see it. Yeah, it is again allocating with the dates, which is not what I exactly require. So remove date, I'm instructing it to remove the date and just show me the category wise total table with the allocation and the amount. So now let's have a look how it does. So this is perfect. So in this example, we are going to see whether or not ChatGPT is able to advise me the net take-home pay given the gross salary. So let's have a look. So I have instructed it to provide me the net take-home for 80k per annum job in the UK. It's showing me the detailed tax calculation, how it calculates. So it's not much understandable for me, so I'm asking it to show me just the calculations, how much will be the net take home given the gross figure. Please show me a short summary like gross, tax, NI, net. I don't need the full calculations, so let's see how it does. So we can see it's showing me for 80k income tax 14,400, net take home is roughly 60k. I have a dummy figure for this tax calculation. So 80k divided by 12 is 6,667.67 per month. So let's check if the net take home as per this calculation and as per ChatGPT's calculation is correct or not. So my software is showing something else. I think there is a difference of around 3 or 4,000 pound in the net take home. So I have asked it to consider the pension contribution as well, so that it will reflect the accurate figure. Again, you are showing me calculations. Please just share summary. Yeah, I'm asking to shorten this whole thing. So it's showing me gross 80k, pension contribution 4,000, income 14,404, net take home 57. But as per this actual payroll software is 53k net take home, but it is 57 as per ChatGPT. So just ask it why is this difference coming. So I'm asking it, is it for 22, 23, 24, 24 tax year? I think something is not matching. So here comes the limitations. It's saying apologies for any confusion caused. As an AI language model, my training data only goes up to September 2021. So whenever we ask anything to ChatGPT, it will just give us the best answer based on its data up to that cutoff date of September 2021. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.